Want to okay, hi. I'm Tanyela Zamdariko and I'm going to be talking firstly on the ideology of MMM. MMM is an ideology or initiative that was launched by Sage Mafrodi. He was one who created this system in order to fight the unfair financial system of the world, where the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. It aims to demolish the unfair world by making MMM so as to achieve financial freedom for everyone. Give thanks to MMM, financial apocalypse is unavoidable. It is MMM. It is a worldwide community of financial aid and donation exchange. It is a peer-to-peer system. Transfers are made between participants themselves, and there is no central account where participants are sending in the money to Triple M central account or anything like that. No, the people are just simply sending the money between themselves, participant to participant. And when one wants to give help, they are provide help and are credited with Mavro enjoyed by participants and managers. It is not a bank or a business or a company or investment. It has no central account. As I said before, participants are simply transferring the money between each other. Also, MMM has no promise or guarantee that if you provide help, you are going to be given help, because these are strictly donations, and they are legal because there's no law that disallows donations. And then I'm going to move on to talk about how MMM works. MMM is a community of people providing help to each other, help on the principle of gratuity, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't need to have a conduct or pledge a property you own. There are no lenders and borrowers. The idea is simple. One participant asks for help and another provides help, and that's how it works. Only thing MMM requires is participants should be honest and kind to each other. You get help when you need it, and you provide help when you need it. When you have the money, also you provide help when you have the money, extra money, which is not all the money that you have on you. You strictly have to use extra money. And how it works is when you provide help, you are credited with Mavro, which is a system acronym which which are given when you provide help, and it has a 30% growth per month till when you get help. So after 1 month, you can get help on the money which you provided help with, which would have grown by 30% after a month. And how do you send help or receive help? You use Bitcoins, which is a global system. It is digitalized where you can go online and you purchase your Bitcoins, send them to whoever you want to send them to. Then they can cash out those Bitcoins and get their money when you send them the Bitcoins. Also, you can use EcoCash, especially in Zimbabwe. We're using EcoCash. It's a digitalized system where you send money to each other as participants using mobile banking. The rules of MMM are strictly that a person has to have one account. No multiple accounts are allowed. The multiple accounts are strictly prohibited, and a participant is not allowed to have 2 or 3 or even more than one account. Participants must be responsible for their own accounts. They should take care and look after their accounts. Participants must not cheat by using any dummy accounts or creating other accounts in a dubious way. Participants must also be obedient and obey the Triple MMM ideology of helping each other so as to obtain financial freedom and help each other for the longevity of the system. Yeah. Also, I'm going to talk about the benefits of MMM. The benefits of MMM are as that after you provide help, you get 30% growth per month from your provide help amount. Let's say you provide help with $100. At the end of the month, when you provide help with $100, you're credited with 100 Mavros, which grow at 30%. So at the end of the month, they would have grown by at least $30, which means when you get help, you get help of $130 from your provide help amount, which means your $100 would have grown by $30, which is 30%. After joining, you get a joining bonus of from $20 up to $100. Say if you join with $100, you get a bonus of $20. It is just a bonus for appreciating you for joining MMM. You also get the other way you can benefit through MMM is you get 10% referral bonus from those you refer to the system. Whenever you refer someone to the system, you get 10% referral bonuses from what they provide help with, and that does not affect that person's 30% growth. It is your own 10%. Also, managers from Triple M get 5% from their second level, the second level also, and 3% from the third level, and 1% from the fourth level, and so on. After you get help, the other way you can benefit from MMM is after you get help and make a video of your successful get help, aside from a letter of happiness, because you are supposed to write a letter of happiness to show that you really did get help. Besides that letter of happiness, you can make a video, create a video, get 5% from total amount of your get help. Yeah. Managers also get bonuses, get multi-level bonuses, 5% from the second level, 3% from the third level, 1% from the fourth level, and so on and so on. Yeah, so that's all about MMM, and that's what it's all about, and you should join if you're watching this video. Thank you.